This logical operator is a little bit more exotic, but still an interesting one to learn, and it's the XOR function, exclusive OR. Let's say that you have 1 hour free on Saturday, and you either want to go to the dentist or you could book a massage. If either a good dentist or a good massage therapist has that hour block available, then you'll go ahead and schedule it with them. But if you have a dentist who also offers to give you a massage at the same time, you might want to reevaluate. The exclusive OR says this is okay if it's A or if it's B, but if it's A and B, then that's a problem. It's written in Excel like this. Inside an if statement, your test is exclusive OR dentist or massage, not both. If that's true, then you'll schedule with either the dentist or the massage therapist. But if it's false, if neither of them are available, or if you have one offering to do both, your dentist offering to give you a massage or your massage therapist offering to check your teeth, you're going to reevaluate. And the syntax is going to be exactly the same as the OR function, so we'll skip rewriting it in Excel just to avoid being too repetitive.